Hello everyone. Let's provide a solution to this problem. X to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 equals 12. Okay, when I have a problem like this, or if I have a problem like this, what will come to my mind is the number on the right hand side. If I can express it in this form, that is all. Okay, mind you, this is x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2, right? Now, this 12 here, I can pick 8 out of 12, and that 8 will be written in this form. So I'll write 8, then plus, if I pick 8 out of 12, the next number is 4. Okay, now look at this. 8 can be written in this form, and 4 can be written in this form. So let's go there. X to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 is now equal to 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 2. This way, everything is balanced. Let's regroup so that we have x to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 3. Then we have plus x to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of 2. And this is equal to 0. Okay, so we can now deal with this separately and deal with this separately. If I'm going to deal with this first bracket, a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3. This is the same thing as a square. Okay, there's no square again. This is the same thing as a minus b. Then into the second one will now carry square. There's nothing here, right? Okay, a minus b into a to the power of 2 plus ab plus b to the power of 2. And in here, we apply difference of two squares. So for difference of two squares, a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So we are going to use these two to work on what we have right there. So our x to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 3 becomes x minus 2, okay, into a squared, that will be x squared, plus ab, that is x times 2, is 2x, then plus b squared, that will be 2 squared, and it is 4. Close this. Then plus, open bracket, this one, I will apply difference of two squares in this form. So we have x minus 2 into x plus 2, and everything equals 0. So write 0 over here. Now, something is common to these terms, and it's x minus 2. So we'll factorize x minus 2 out. Then here I have x squared plus 2x plus 4. Then plus x minus 2 is already out. I have x plus 2. X plus 2. Okay, close bracket, and we equate to 0. Now from here, the terms in the bracket, we're going to bring them together. So x minus 2 is still a common factor. Here we have x plus 3x plus 6. How did I get a 6? X squared will come out. Oh, this is x squared. 2x plus x is 3x. Then 4 plus 2 is 6. Then close this and equate to 0. From here now, we can say that it is either x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x squared plus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. So I'm going to pick out the first linear equation here, so that x will become 0 plus 2. And then our x is equal to 2. This is the real solution to the problem. Now, to get the other solutions, we'll go straight to this quadratic equation. Our a is 1, our b is 3, and c is 6. A is a coefficient of x squared, right? X squared, the coefficient of that is plus 1. Coefficient of x is 3. And coefficient, the constant is 6. Now, what is the formula we're going to use? The formula is x equals minus b plus or minus, we have square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2 times a. So once you can know the formula, that is all. The next thing is to substitute right into the formula. So our x will now be, in place of minus b, I'll write minus 3 plus or minus b squared becomes 3 squared minus 4 times a times c, because a is 1 and c is 6. We'll now divide by 2 times 1, which will still give us 2. Now our x is minus 3 plus or minus, we have square root of 9 minus 24, because 4 times 1 times 6 is 24. Then we divide all of this by 2. Okay, so to continue from here, our x will be minus 3 plus or minus square root of minus 15. This is 15, then divided by 2. Now sometimes you'll be tempted to find the square root of 9, then find the square root of 24. That would be wrong. You have to subtract before finding the square root. Now, from here, it becomes impossible to find the square root of negative 15 using calculator, but we can proceed by picking out this negative. So we'll be having x equals minus 3 plus or minus, we have square root of 15 multiplied by square root of negative 1 divided by 2. This way, I have picked out negative from 15. So if you want to find the square root of 15, it's now possible. Now, our x is minus 3 plus or minus square root of 15 multiplied by I. Square root of negative 1 is imaginary, so we write I over there. So that we divide everything by 2. And what does this mean? This means that our x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus I root 15 divided by 2. We can decide to write I first before writing the root, so that it will not appear to be under the root. This is what it is. And then we already had one solution before, and it is x equals 2. Now from here we have another solution, which is x1. Okay, this is x1, this is x2, equals minus 3 plus I root 15, everything divided by 2. Then our x3 is still from here, and it shall be minus 3. This time around is minus I root 15, everything divided by 2. So we have the three solutions. The first is real, and the other two are complex solutions. Thank you for watching.